Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add due dates on your Trello cards. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add some due dates on your Trello cards. You're doing content creation on YouTube, and you want to go ahead and inform your team of when these due dates are. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, here we are on one of my YouTube channels, and in order to add due dates, all you've got to do is click on one of these cards, and then you want to go ahead and click on dates, and then this is where you want to go ahead and set the date. So once you set the date, let's say it's for the 21st, you're going to click on save, and then you can see that November 21st is the due date for this card. Now, once this card is complete, you could actually click on mark as complete, and the card will be complete. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add due dates to Trello cards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.